So hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It is your beautiful girl Jody. So today I will be speaking on my egg retrieval, which I will be doing tomorrow. I was under medical watch due to me producing too much eggs. I was having a lot high estrogen level. So now I got the rush to do the egg retrieval because I'm fully mature and my body is like in so much pain. I have to go into my doctor's office every single day so I could do ultrasounds, blood work, and the follicles. I saw them today. It Guys, it gives me that feeling, even though I got emotional and so forth. So I did blood work today, as you can see right here, and I did COVID testing again because you have to do your COVID test before you could do any procedure. They want to make sure you're okay and stuff like that. So tomorrow is the big day. Even though your girl is in super pain, I just woke up like 5 minutes ago and I said to myself, I want to be transparent. I'm going to come on here and talk to you guys about what is going to happen. So I cannot vlog because, even though the COVID is still in session, I cannot vlog. I would have let David come in and vlog because we got the okay to vlog. But the COVID now, they're restricting a lot of visitors and stuff like that. So David will be outside in the waiting room waiting until I recover. Okay, so I will go tomorrow, show you guys, before I go in the OR, and when I come out of the OR, hopefully I could speak. I'm in a lot of pain. But now what we're gonna do, David is here with me as well, and he's going to put some comfortable clothes together for me so I could wear tomorrow, even though I cannot walk. Whenever I walk, the bottom of my abdomen where the ovaries at, my pelvic area, it is super swollen. Last night we did our my HCG medication shot, the trigger shot. I did it last night in my buttocks. It was so uncomfortable, and we did the Luprolide in my stomach, 40 units, and my HCG was 5,000 units. So that's because I am producing too much eggs, and I am resulting in hyperstimulation. I also got prescribed medication to take because I am in super pain. It is unbearable, guys. Right now I'm talking to you guys and I am in pain. But my husband is here. He's going to help me find clothes. He's going to put together my little section, my rag. I'll be laying in the couch for the next couple of days because I cannot go in my bed. I don't know. So yeah, so David is going to find me some clothes and so forth. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this journey with us, and I hope you guys are excited as how we are excited, even though your girl is in crazy pain. David is not feeling no pain at all, just Jody. I don't understand why that is, but it is what it is. So I'll see you guys soon. So bye guys for now.
Hey guys, this is your boy David. This part right here is the husband helping the wife out, pick out some clothes. Because when your wife is in surgery or they're gonna put her to sleep or something like that, they're drowsy. So you want to put her in very comfy clothes, like a dress or the long shirt. Because when they're tired or drowsy, it's hard to put pants on. Trust me, I did that with my wife. She almost fell. That was funny, but you gotta protect your wife. So now I'm gonna look for some clothes. very easy to put in. I mean, very easy to put on and take off. Perfect.
So guys, meanwhile David is putting my clothes together, look who just stopped by to say hello to you guys. My baby Bella. Hi Bella. Say hello. Not saying hello? She's a bad cat. She's feisty. So you're not saying hello. You know your animals know when you're in pain. She's on my stomach. So I'm gonna show you guys what David is doing over here. Let's show you guys.
So guys, I'm not perfect. I got her little mini towel and the rest of her clothes. I think we need slippers because I feel like putting on shoes and something that's a little bit drowsy or taking off would be hard. So slippers is the best way to go. And my wife got some furry slippers that everybody loves. I'm gonna see if she she can model for you before you leave tomorrow. Anything else you need, babe? Because I can't think of nothing else at the moment.
No, just something I have to wear comfy and present my body to them. That's it.
Your bag. I'm gonna carry your phone, the keys, your wallet. Or you just gonna wear this?
Yeah.
I forgot to tell you this too. Make sure you have like a bottle of water and like something you could chew on, because before you get any surgery, you cannot eat past 8 or 12 o'clock. So she's gonna be hungry or thirsty. So make sure that you have a bottle of water in your car, something to munch on, and something to eat. Because after the surgery, she's literally gonna depend on the wife is gonna depend on the husband, because she's gonna be on that sofa laying there all day trying to get better for you. So what you could do is make sure that she has a bottle of water inside there, her favorite perfume, or something to make her happy. I got that in her big safe. I call this a safe because how big this person is. You can hide you can hide anybody in here. But yeah. So guys, right now I'm about to just make sure I got everything in here for her, and we'll call it a night. Anything else you want to say, Jody?
Yep. Hi Bella.
She's looking at you like, what's up?
Why you looking at me like that? See guys, she just looking at me. I don't know why she looking at me like that, but hello, say hello, DJ family. Say hello, Bella. No? I don't know what she's doing, trying to bite me. It's my little daughter. Yes. Okay. You want me to touch you? But you're holding my stomach. This is what my stomach looks like at the moment. It is tight and bloated. As you guys could see, it hurts a lot. This is the outcome of being hyperstimulated. So yes, I got medication for it. So yes, and all these marks here is where I had inject myself. All those little marks, those injection site. Yes. So no more of the shots to be taken, which I am super excited about. So yeah, and that is it for now. Your girl, they took blood from your girl again today. I showed you guys earlier. I'm taking the antibiotics and pain tablets, and I'm taking my prenatal vitamins, and your girl has to be drinking her fluids, water, orange juice, and stuff like that. So what I am going to do now, your girl is going to get some rest. A lot of medication is in my body. My eyes are really heavy, so I need to rest. And I will show you guys tomorrow when we wake up, when we're on our way. I gotta take out my tongue ring. I gotta make sure I take my ring off. I gotta make sure I take out my nose piercing, and no jewelry. So you gotta follow the rules and all that criteria. So I will let you guys in tomorrow, and yeah, take it from there. So pray for us, pray, and I will update you guys, even though your girl is a scaredy cat going into surgery. That's just me. So a lot of people like to go to sleep, which I don't like, but prayer is my number one key to life. So you know yeah, so I will speak to you guys tomorrow and let you know how much egg we have got. And I'm excited, but your girl is just in unbearable pain and I'm very uncomfortable right now. Sitting down, sitting up, it's hurting the bottom of my stomach. These ovaries are super, super, super huge. All those follicles I saw today, oh my gosh. I wish I would have locked, but I was in super, super pain because, doing the ultrasound with the compression of, the instrument that they're using inside, it was super, super uncomfortable, guys. I am telling you, I could not even hold the phone. And again, David couldn't come in, so they're doing that because of COVID and all of that. So I will speak to you guys tomorrow. So see you guys soon. And comment below and tell me what you think about this IVF journey this far. What do you think, what's your thought? What comes to your mind? And through this entire process that we're doing. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop it in the comment section, and your girl or David will respond to you guys. Or I have a lot of supporters who always will answer some of the questions if I don't see it, and they know the answer to it, or like a little, so yeah. So if you guys have a question or anything, guys, please feel free to drop it down below. So I will see you guys tomorrow. And yes, so pray for us. How many eggs do you think we are going to get? And yeah, let us know in the comment section, and see you guys soon. Bye for now, guys. Today is the official day of my egg retrieval. I will update you guys on how many eggs we have got and so forth. I am in a lot of pain, and yes, we're here. We're waiting on our ride to go to the OR. So stay tuned. I'm in a lot of pain, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned, and you'll get more information when yes. So pray for your girl. I'm going under general anesthesia. I'm gonna be knocked out, and yeah. So see you guys later. Hope you guys have a blessed day. So stay tuned, guys. Bye. We made it. David is here. And I'm ready to go in. I'm just waiting until my nurse comes, and then we'll take it from there. So I'll see you guys when I get in. I'm gonna change, and then we're gonna put the IV in and everything. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Guys, I'm here. I got my IV in my hand. Here, and I'm almost ready to go in. I'm nervous, but I'll be okay. See you guys in a few. So I got me another blanket because I'm cold. I'm shivering. It's maybe because I'm nervous, but yeah. So guys, I just woke up in the recovery room.
Because they brought it upstairs.
I'm super sleepy.
Okay.
Hey guys, we got back from the little surgery we did for Jody, and this is a new bed for like 1 or 3 days. Right now she's gonna rest. I'm gonna make her some soup or something so she can eat. I know she gotta be hungry. And put in the comments, get well soon, Jody. That'll put a little smile on her face.
So guys, the surgery went okay. I wasn't scared today. They gave me, because I was nauseous, I'm on antibiotics. I was nauseous, so they gave me something for that. The surgery was like, what, 30 minutes or so, or even less. I got knocked out right away. I will speak to you guys when I'm not super drowsy because I was under general anesthesia and I'm drowsy. I need to take some rest. So if anything, I will come back on later and I will give you an update on how I feel. I just have a little spotting because you know they put the what is it called now? The instrument with the needle inside, and I'm resulting in a little spotting. So my body is overwhelmed and I'm drained and drowsy. So see you guys later. I will speak to you guys in a minute. All right, I'm gonna take a nap. So David's gonna make me something to eat while I stay here with Bella. She's going crazy already, as you can see. She's right here biting my toes. So guys, stay safe out there and send some prayers and everything for me. See you guys soon. Bye guys.
Hey guys, look who's eating the soup right now. She didn't want my cooking, so she's like, you know what? I gotta call my Jamaican spot. So now she eating some soup.
Drinking some soup.
I don't care. She's eating the soup. Cause you know what? It's food in there, right? You gotta eat. See? See? You can't drink that. You gotta eat that.
Jamaican cow foot soup with chicken feet right here.
Yeah.
I got me some corn and I got me some dumpling in it, and there's the broth, the soup. So yeah. And guys, it's a hell of a ride. I'm okay. Thank you so much for all the prayers that you guys have prayed for me. And my cat is going crazy. I don't know what's wrong with her. Hello, Bella. Hi. And there she is, acting all crazy. Hello. Mommy's sick. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong?
Leave her alone.
Oh my God.
I told you, leave her alone.
What's the matter, Bella?
She's too
Bella,
hyper.
look what you did.
Just leave her alone.
Put them claws away. Stop it. I can't talk loud to her. You bad. You a bad cat. Like, no. No. You know what I said?
See, guys, when she don't listen, don't leave the cat alone.
Oh my God, you're gonna get whooping later. Wait till I get better. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much. I will update you guys. I need rest. I gotta stay here for 2 days, for today and tomorrow, and Saturday I will update you guys. And I'm not playing. She's trying to jump on me again. My head is really crazy, so that's why I have my hat on, because my hair is not done. But I'm just here to tell you guys that your girl is okay. I'm feeling a little better. I could talk. Thank God I'm awake from the anesthesia, because you know your girl is a scaredy cat. And yeah, I'll update you guys tomorrow or Saturday. All right? Today's what?
Thursday.
Today's Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, I'll update you guys. So have a good day, and speak to you guys soon, and peace out. Your girl is awake again. I'm watching the Loud House. Have me a little company here. Bella. She don't want to leave me alone. I don't know why. My cat just, I don't know. You know, animal, they know when you're sick. They know when you're sad. They know when, you know, you're not feeling well. So she's by my side from I came home, even though she scraped my hand, which I'm not sure if you guys could see it. Yep, look at that. That's Bella right here. She did that. Still got my bandage on, so I'm gonna take these off right now because I'm not in the OR anymore. So I'm gonna take them off, but I'm feeling better. Thank God. Thank you so much again, guys, for rocking with us along this journey. It is an emotional, nerve-wracking, frustrated journey, and my body's going through so much. And yeah, so thank you again, guys. I'm feeling a little better. So now maybe I'm gonna have to take a shower, and yeah. So see you guys soon. Let me show you guys the Loud House that I'm watching. Let me show you guys. Here we go, guys. I'm watching the Loud House while David is in his game room. Hey, David, wave your hand. There he is, guys. I got me Jamaican food. This is curry gravy, fried chicken, steamed vegetables. And I'm just taking my time to see if I could eat it. Okay. With some rice and peas. That's my favorite, but let's see if I could eat it. I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm just taking it easy. As you guys are aware, my body went through a lot. So, fruits, veggies, and fluids are the most important thing that you could ever think of having now. So I'm here. I'm eating some cherries. My husband just brought it to me. Let me show you guys. Some cherries, my favorite at all times. Yeah. So I'm just gonna enjoy these cherries, and then I'll see from there. I didn't really eat a lot of the food. I cannot eat it. So maybe tomorrow or tonight, if I feel hungry, I will try to see if I could eat it. But I'm not feeling well today, so I'll just eat little fruits and drink my bottled water. I have my bottled water here, and it fell. So guys, yes, I'm drinking my water. I can't sit up without the help of my husband, so I'm just gonna stay right here and just turn on my side and eat my cherries, my big cherries. Yes. That's how it looks. So see you guys soon.